Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. I hope all of you are keeping fine in the new year. Okay, so we are going to start lesson 13, interrogative sentence in class 4 English language. Okay, so you see here as the name suggests, interrogative sentences. Here you have to ask questions. Okay, we are going to discuss about this. Alright. Okay, now you see here an interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. This you know, isn't it? Okay. Now you see here, do you know that questions can begin with both question words and helping verbs? So first of all, we are going to discuss about question words. Then we are also going to discuss about helping verbs. What are question words and what are helping verbs? With that, we can frame questions. Alright. Now you see here, an interrogative word or question word is a function word. It is a function word used to ask a question such as what, which, when, where, who, whom, whose, why, whether and how. All these are question words. Okay. Now you see here, they are sometimes called WH words also. Why? Because in English, most of them start with WH. You see, all these are question words. If I say you what, which, when, where, what, which, where, when. Okay, so what is your name? What are you doing? Then which is your pen? Which is your pencil? Okay, where are you coming from? Where are you going? Okay, when will you be at home? Okay, so all these are question words and at the last question mark is given, isn't it? So you see, an interrogative word or question word is a function word, alright, used to ask a question. So here we discussed about question word. Now we are going to discuss about helping verbs, alright. What are actually helping verbs? Helping verbs sometimes called auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs, are, as the name suggests, verbs that help another verb in a sentence, that is the main verb. Helping verb, they help the main verb or the other verb in a sentence, alright. They provide support and add additional meaning. Helping verbs provide support and add additional meaning in a sentence, alright. Helping verbs do just what they sound like, they help, alright. Okay, so we are discussing about helping verbs. Now there are 23 helping verbs, alright. Now what are they? I am telling you: am, is, are, was and were, then being, been and be, have, has, had, do, does, did, will, would, shall, should. Okay, there are 5 more helping verbs: may, might, must, can and could. So altogether if you count, there are 23. You don't have to write down this, you just listen to it, okay, and try to understand. Okay, now how do you identify a helping verb in a sentence? How will you identify? How will you come to know that this is a helping verb? How will you come to know? With the help of some examples, I shall teach you. Okay, a helping verb always stands in front of a main verb. Okay, a helping verb always stands in front of a helping verb. Now you see, Shaila can ride her sister's bicycle. This example you see. Shaila can ride her sister's bicycle. Okay, her sister's bicycle. Okay, Shaila can ride her sister's bicycle. Which one is the helping verb here? Can is the helping verb here, alright, and ride is the main verb here, alright. You see, helping verb is always before the main verb, alright, or it stands in front of the main verb, alright. You see which is the main verb here? Ride is the main verb here. Helping verb stands before the main verb. Alright, so these things you have to keep in mind. This way you can identify a helping verb. Alright children, so you see here some questions are given. Which is your favorite subject? You can write down which is your favorite subject. What do you like about it? If you write down my favorite subject is maths. Okay, so what do you like about it? What do you like about the subject? You write down here. Who is your favorite family member? You write down. How do you come to school? When do you go out to play? Where do you stay? All these things you write down. You write the answers here in the book itself because this is a kind of activity. And you see here which, what, who, how, when and where. All these are question words. Alright? Okay, you have to answer this because these are all question words. And they are ending with a question mark. Alright children? Okay. So you have learnt here that an interrogative sentence or a question is used to ask something. When you are asking for something, you are using interrogative sentences. It always ends in question mark. Okay, just go through what I taught you. In our next class, we shall start with the exercises. Alright, thank you.